Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today we will discuss a problem that I was facing when I have to upload my videos. The problem is basically that when I record videos, there are many background voices or background noise that are affecting my voice. That's why this is the main problem in my videos. I have to fix this problem. That's why I search on different softwares. I have tried many softwares that should work for me because I want to remove my background voice. I have tried different many software for this, but as the result mostly softwares are paid, and I do not want to install another software any crack variant of any software. I have also tried different many software. Most of them are not able to input my whole video. Only the paid version of their software are able to fix this problem. But I have fixed this problem free of cost. I will explain each and everything in detail. So without wasting your time, let's move on to the screen. Here you can see that I have developed simple Python script to remove the background noise or background voices from my video when I record different videos. I also use this script to remove background voices if there are any while recording this video that I am recording now. Here you can see that this is the simple Python script, not any advanced script. Only 140 lines of this code. Let me explain a simple code. Here you can see that these are the different libraries that I am importing. Here I have used different error handling and try and catch methods. Here I am also using importing in different libraries. Now if they have any error importing these libraries, then we have to show this error that we have missing some files while importing these libraries. Here you can see that this is the dependencies on which we are dependent. This is the simple code. Now here is the main code. Here we input our video, we process all the video, remove the noise from the video, then we have to separate the original video and the background noise. After that we have to remove the background noise and we have to extract our useful information from the video as audio. It means that in according to this script we separate video and audio, and from audio we have to separate the noise and actual voice, then we have to remove the noise, then we have to combine the audio and the video in a single video. I will also run the code in the video. You can see all the things. Here you can see that we have created virtual environment to install all these dependencies. I have also upload this code on the GitHub. This is the requirement file. These are the libraries that I am using. If how This is how we can run this code. First of all, we have to create an virtual environment that I have already created. After that, we have to active our virtual environment. Then we have to run this code. Here you can see that this is how we can run this code. This is the Python. Then we have to our source, where is our file located, and this is the path to our video. and which type of video we have to reduce noise from our video. Here you can see that these are our all videos. For example, if I have to, here let's see example, if I have to remove the background noise from this video, here I have to copy the path, go to here, then we have to paste our path here up, then after enter it will run our Python code. You can see that we are extracting the audio and reducing noise. It means that first we have to extract the whole audio from the video, then we have to reduce the noise from that audio. After reducing noise, we have to merge that audio with our video. This is the main functionality of this code, because I have tried many software to reduce the background noise from my video, but I failed. Then I developed this script to fix my problem. Here you can see that we have successfully reduced the noise from our video. Here you can see that this is the denoised image that it will also save on that path where our actual video is. This is how I have fixed my problem. The reason, let me explain the reason why I choose Python script over the different softwares. As you know that I have tried different softwares, but most of them are paid. As my video is long and with high quality, most of software only input only 10-second video, but I have more than a 16 to 20-minute video, and I do not want to download any other crack variant of software. That's why I developed this script. This helps me to reduce the background noise from my video. This is how I have solved my another problem with the help of Python script. If you need this script from me, you can check out my GitHub profile, then you can find this script from there. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you have learned something new and something valuable from this video.